Alright, so we're going to try to factor this polynomial. We've got three terms here. At the end of this, we want to end up with something. We think it's going to end up as something 2 terms times 2 terms. We're going to use the AC method on this, or mostly the AC method on this. So for that, we figure out our A, B, and C. Those are just our coefficients of the terms. And we want to figure out what 2 numbers multiply together to be A times C. So my A's here is just the 1, the C is minus 14. And we want those 2 numbers to also add up to B. Alright, at this point, we can start making a list of all the pairs of numbers that multiply together to be minus 14. And we're kind of looking through this list to figure out if any pairs of these numbers add up to 5. So at this point, 7 times minus 2 gives me minus 14. 7 plus negative 2 gives me that 5. Those are the 2 numbers I want. Normally in the AC method, we would then break up this 5x into 7x minus 2x, and then factor by grouping. When my coefficient of the x squared is just 1, I can kind of skip all of that and just use these 2 numbers as the parts of the factors that I want. So at this point, I can just say this thing factors into x plus 7 times x minus 2. With any factoring problem, I can always go back and double check by multiplying this out. So if I FOIL this out, I get an x squared. I get minus 2x. I get plus 7x. And I get a minus 14. So when I combine like terms here, I should get back to what I started with. And that's my check. Ultimately, this is my solution, x plus 7 times x minus 2. And then that's it for that one.